Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another latest update video of the Ankr coin. What's going on in the Ankr? What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Ankr? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos about Ankr coin. Now guys, the current live price of the Ankr coin in the market is 0.094942 USD dollar. That is the live price of the Ankr coin. Other side, furthermore, if we talk about the changes occur in the Ankr coin, so you can see last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occurs in the Ankr coin is completely negative. I mean the price decrease. But what should you do in this critical situation? Hold. You should have to hold. If you hold, so you get profit. Please hold, never decide to sell. Now you can see here guys, completely the changes is occurring in the Ankr coin is negative. And let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, for a long time they goes neutral. Just look here, not a quick jump, not a quick jumps, goes neutral. So guys, you know what, and I believe about Ankr coin that they will give a surprise. They will give a surprise, and absolutely possibilities that at the last of August they give a surprise. Now we can't see about the surprise, maybe dumps, maybe pumps. Guys, get ready for this surprise news. Anyways, what you think about Ankr coin, also share on the comment box. And again, I request everybody subscribe now our channel for more updates videos. Thanks for watching.